Hello, this is Paul Dawson from Clemson University. I have a CPS project looking at the survival of Listeria monocytogenes and Salmonella species on dry surfaces in commercial packing houses. And I'm working with Kay Cooksey, Claudia Iannuta, and George Nikolic in collecting and analyzing these samples. We are finding very long survival times for both Salmonella and Listeria on dry surfaces, and we feel that dry surfaces are very important to look at this point because they have been somewhat neglected. Previous findings have found that Salmonella and Listeria can survive from days to weeks on dry surfaces, and that drying does not eliminate these pathogens from these surfaces. And finally, we hope to develop management plans to reduce the risk of these pathogens surviving on these dry surfaces. Thank you.